The AI writing assistant in Slickplan helps you write, improve, and refine text directly inside the page editor. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of how it works and where you can use it. The AI writing assistant is designed to support writers while they're working on page content. You can use it to generate new copy from a prompt, improve or rewrite selected text, adjust tone or writing style, refine internal notes and writing instructions, all without leaving the page you're working on. To generate new text, place your cursor inside a supported text block and click Write with AI in the editing toolbar. Enter a prompt describing what you want to write, review the generated preview, and insert the content when you're ready, or try again to see a different result. When you want to improve existing content, select the text and choose Edit with AI from the contextual toolbar. From there, you can quickly summarize, expand, simplify, or improve the selected text, or adjust the tone or style to better match your page. The AI writing assistant also works in notes blocks, which are used for internal guidance and instructions. In notes blocks, the assistant focuses on refining guidance text, helping teams write clearer instructions and directions without affecting exported content. AI suggestions are always shown in a preview before anything is applied. You decide whether to insert the result, try again, or undo the change using standard browser shortcuts or version history. This keeps you fully in control of your content at every step. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.